This is nice, isn't it? Woo!
We're going on the aeroplane today.
Going on the aeroplane today. Woohoo! Gonna go and have breakfast first, aren't we?
We found a Japanese word search.
Where was that? Under the bed?
Under our bed, yeah. Under your bed. Under mine sock.
Under my bed. Well, we had a palaver with the beds, didn't we? Because you wouldn't sleep in there without mum.
No.
So, I'll tell you where everyone was sleeping. I was meant to sleep here. Noah was meant to sleep here. Mum and Dad on there, yeah?
Yeah.
Noah wouldn't stop nagging until he got to sleep there. Mum had to sleep there. I had to sleep with my dad and he was snoring his ass off.
He did snore all night, didn't he?
I snored all night and I didn't know.
You snory head.
Dad
You
was like that
always
in the
used
bed
to
and
tell me I don't snore.
You did last night. You must have been tired.
How is it?
Oh, it's still dark. It's because it's 5:30 in the morning.
I thought it was 4.
Bedtime.
No, it's 5:30. We're going to get up, go for some breakfast. Or we're going to
How is it still dark?
get changed, put the case in the car, haven't we? And then go have some breakfast. And then we're going to go to Purple Parking. Drop our car and go to the airport.
I'm a hash brown kid.
Love,
Look how many hash browns I have.
love hash browns.
Mum, did you know I took all of them? It's only one left.
Why did you do that? Ooh, we're on our bus, didn't we?
Go on, at the top, you can see. It's so high.
We're at the back of the bus.
Oh, it's nice and warm down here.
Booked in to have my nails done at the airport because I didn't have time to do them before we left. So I'm going to go for some gels and a manicure. And Paul's gone off to buy some sprays for the kids.
Kids need water after all.
They gave us water.
I know.
You excited?
I can't even see anything. We're already in the clouds.
in Punta Cana Airport waiting for our bags.
I'm boiling.
It is boiling.
My hair is already sweating and we just got on. We just got in.
It's a couple of ceiling fans though, isn't there?
Yeah, look how big they are. They are flipping huge.
There's big queues as well for the bags, isn't there? We got 2 of our bags. Paul and Reese are just waiting for the other one. Oh, there it is.
Hey! I am flipping boiling. My hair is still sweating and we just sweating.
Even the bag's sweating.
The bag's sweating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, even the bag's sweating.
Wet!
The bag's sweating as well.
Maybe someone was sweat and then it dripped onto the bag.
Ew. Everything is free.
This is amazing!
It's got a water park and everything is free, he said. It's nice, isn't it?
This is amazing! Whoa!
Oh, there's 2 double beds.
Yeah!
2 double beds and sofa bed.
Mum,
Oh, that's very nice. And this is the sofa beds.
Mum, come here.
Yeah.
Mum,
Oh, I can't wait to be living in here.
Mum, come here.
Also,
This is really weird. Why is there a square toilet? It's a square toilet.
Oh, look, a coconut picture.
I need to
Hey.
rate this toilet. Out my way, I need to rate this bathroom. It's already a 10.
A 10 out of 5.
It's a square
No, a
toilet.
10 out of 10.
It's a square toilet, Dad.
the heck?
Okay, it's a square toilet. What's that wrong? That means...
Oh, this is lovely. One thing we figured out is the Noah's not very good at hiding.
This
Right
is...
there. Me and Noah can go to the pool and then she can see us in.
I know how the beds are going to be. Reese can sleep on
Yes.
the sofa bed.
Already, yes.
Yeah.
Mum and me can sleep on here and Dad can go on it.
I was waiting for Aya to share a bed.
Okay.
Well, this is absolutely lush. Before we came, I'd read all the TripAdvisor reviews, which were, yeah, not very good, but it's amazing. We've had our first spillage. Noah just chucked a whole drink of Coke all over me. Now I got sticky toes. Just been and had our dinner, haven't we? Had some drinks and now we're going to go back to bed because we're knackered from travelling, aren't we?
Yeah.
Noah's lizard spotting. How many lizards have you spotted?
6
so far.
lizards.
And Paul's just stopped at concierge to get some bedding for the sofa bed because otherwise you and Reese are sleeping on nothing. And you? He
No,
hasn't.
I'm doing...
I
No.
was going to say he hasn't twigged that he's sleeping with me. What is that noise?
I'm gonna go and check it.
He's going to check it out. He'll come back with a snake or something now. He's come back empty-handed, haven't you? Which is good. What do you think that is?
That's true.
Don't think so. I don't know what that could be up in the trees.